So welcome back to the next video of this free workshop where I'll bring you all of this free value to become an industry-leading FMCG startup. And without wasting any more time, a quick introduction. My name is Rishabh. I'm the founder of Confetti Design Studio, where we work with small to mid-stage FMCG brands like you to turn them into an industry leader with more than 100 crores in revenue. And the way we do that is through better products, better messaging, and better marketing. That's pretty much it about me. Now, why all of this is for free is because I'm on a mission that as long as founders like you have a great product, I will do anything in my capacity to turn you into an industry leader. About the series, 10 to 11 videos, all of them wrapped up within 60 minutes because I know as a founder, you might be super busy, so won't take a massive time out of your schedule with one single aim, which is to turn you into an FMCG leader. Now, in this video, we'll talk about the FMCG Rut. Now, this concept is actually coined by me, I think earlier this year in 2023, and is based on real life instance and a real life story that I'll take you through. So quick story time. I was actually having a conversation with a skincare brand founder where they had a revenue of somewhere around 5 lakhs per month, where they were spending 3.7 lakhs in marketing alone. Now, 5 lakhs in revenue, 3.7 lakhs in marketing, crazy numbers, did not make sense to me at all. The reason was the products were not actually selling on their own, and they had to push these products down the throats of the customer through their performance marketing, social media influencing, all of that. And they eventually did not have a lot of money for marketing because their sales were so low. So you see, they wanted marketing to do their selling, but they did not have money to do the marketing because they were not selling. So it pretty much turned into an endless cycle from them, which is demonstrated here, where they need to sell more products to make more money, but they need marketing to sell the products, but they need money to do the marketing, but they need to sell the products to make the money, and on and on and on. So it eventually becomes an endless cycle from which founders like you or small to medium size FMCG founders pretty much find it impossible to get out of. And unfortunately, the sad reality is all of these brands eventually have the same fate, is that they shut down. If not now, then a couple years later. But that is what eventually happens. Something which should not happen, but does. So the fun part is, if you are in this rut, if you can self-diagnose yourself for a quick minute, if you can self-diagnose and you can see that, okay, I'm in this rut, the plan is that today I'll get you out of this. And the first step to get you out of this FMCG rut is to take you through how you actually belonged here, what are certain things which put you in this FMCG rut in the first place. So we will understand what got you here, so we can actually pull you out and you can pull yourself out through this FMCG rut. And that is what we will cover in the next video, which is incorrect beliefs and mindset, which puts a founder in the FMCG rut. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video where we'll discuss what put you in the FMCG rut, and then we'll take you out of it. So I'll see you in the next one. Take care.